Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here's another free update that you can participate. We have this Upside Only. This is a website where you can predict trade, and they get to use your trading signal to enter real markets and share profits with you. Let me explain that again. On this website, you are not depositing, and what you need to do is that you have to participate in the trading. They are using your trading activities, the way you enter trade. If your trade is mostly win, they are using it to train AI. So in the course of doing that, when they observe that okay, this person has a lot of winning trades, then they get to start using your trade option to train AI and to enter a real trade, and in return they share the profits for you. Let me go to the how it works, and let me read again. You see how it works. Create a trade, pick an asset, set your price target. You are using a demo account to trade. Actually, you are using a demo account to trade. You are not depositing real funds. So pick an asset, set your price target and time frame. No funding, no margin, no order books. Get notified in real time. See your results, the amount, the moment they land. Know exactly how well you did instantly. Get paid. We use our own capital. So I want you to focus on this path. They use their own capital to enter the trade if your predictions are always correct. So they say we use our own capital to execute trades. When we profit, you get paid. That's the part I want you to take note. When we profit, you get paid. When you are wrong, we eat the loss. So you see, upside only. That is why it's called upside only. This is looking like a magic or something. So you see why upside only? Real-time results, real-time price data confirms your prediction, transparent, variable, and fully automated. Transparent and fair, you get paid more the more accurate you are. Like the more accurate you are, the more you get paid. No fees, no shenanigans, no downside risks. If our AI augmented algorithm makes a profitable trade from your signal. So in other words, they are training AI on this platform using your trading signals. So the more profitable you are, the more profit they share with you when their AI enter the trade that you take, that you are using to you are taking on the website. So you get your slice of the pie. If you are wrong, nothing happens. You are off the hook. You get the part. So community driven, the more people participate, the more intelligent the community AI supermind is, and the more you get paid. So this is everything you need to know about this website. In enter a trade, the more you have a winning trade, like either you are buying or you're selling any assets, then the AI is looking at your trade. So the AI will use real funds to enter the trade, their own real funds, not your own. You are not depositing. They are using their own real funds to enter the trade. Once the trade is win, they give you part of the trade. That's how they give you part of the profit. Like they cut a slice for you. It's as simple as that. So that is what this upside only is building. And it will interest you that this is making sense. So when you come to these achievements, you see badges, milestone, rewards for your trading journey, track your progress, and unlock exclusive perks. So this is what we are holding on to. You see, coming soon. So your trading journey, register register at Upside Only. Create your account to get started. Make your first trade. Close trade across 2 different assets. Diversify to unlock your portfolio view. So I've completed this 3. So when they eventually unlock these achievements, that is when you start getting your slice of the profit. Anytime you enter a winning trade, the AI use their real fund to trade. Then once the trade is a winning trade, you get a slice of the profit. That's how it works. So this last part, you will have to trade 2 different currency. two different assets rather. So meaning that if you are trading BTC USD for you need to also trade like Ethereum USDT or BNB USDT to make sure that you are trading across two different assets. So if you trade BTC, you can trade Ethereum, you can trade BNB, you can trade any other coins, any other assets to balance this third part. That is what will qualify you to be on this achievement progress 3/3 complete. So I'll be dropping the registration link in the description box of this video and in the pin post in the comment section. Also join my Telegram community for daily updates. The link will be pinned to the description box of this video and the pin post in the comment section. Join my Telegram community for daily updates and make sure you are always subscribing, you like this video, you share, and check out every of my other videos on free ways to make money and also deposits, investment deposits to make money as well. We have a lot of them. The on-chain the OKT trading, the Nova EX, double trading prediction, where you can predict and earn anytime during the day, predict and earn. That's it. So you can turn your $10 to start making profit from them. So check out other videos as well. So while waiting for this, lay your hands on other part of making money opportunities we have on this channel, both free and paid. Check out the videos, subscribe, join my Telegram community for daily updates so you don't miss out on any information. So now let's go right into the trading app. Sign up, just click on the link, sign up using your Google account and click on start trading. It's just as simple as that. You can also use email and password. If I click on start trading, so now I can, this is the I traded BTC and I've traded Binance coin. So that is why I qualify for this achievement 3/3 complete. So if you are coming to trade, you click on trade and you start practicing now while waiting for the achievements. So you start practicing on the trade. You see, this is a demo account. You see what they gave me, 999,000, like 100,000 US dollars. So this is it. This time frame is on 15-minute time frame. Check the signal, check the charts, and predict what is going to happen with this currency or with this asset, whichever. So you can always change the time frame. Here's the time frame. I think I saw 15 minutes. Yeah, I want to check for 4 hours. So this is the 4 hours time frame for BNB USDT, Binance coin / the US dollars. So the Binance coin and the US dollars pair, you can see. So I think from this place we should have a sell from here. This is giving me a resistance level. I'm teaching you guys how to trade already. So I'm seeing a resistance level here. So we might have a drop. Let me go to lower time frame, 15 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna be selling this Binance coin, Binance USDT. I'll click on sell. You come to this sell. I'm using the current market price. I'm entering amount. I'm using $2,000. It's a demo fund actually. So stop loss, I'll place my stop loss. Let me check the 15 minutes entry. So stop loss should be above this resistance area. Yep. Let me put stop loss as 676. Oh, that's the profit. 676. Then my take profit, I'll leave this take profit like that. So my take profit should be, I don't know how far this will go, 670. Then the next take profit, this one 666. Then the next one 655. So I'm looking at this all this support area to determine my take profits. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna do with this one. I'll just enter the trade now. I don't want to set take profits, or let me just assume 657. Then I'll just click on submit trade. So that I've just entered the trade. Look at it, it's already showing here So this is what you are saying. I've just entered the trade now. So that is what they want you to be doing. If I consistently have winning trades, then the AI will start using my signal to trade, to enter a real trade, and in return they share me some profit anytime the trade is in my favor. That's what this upside only is all about. And also, guys, you can check out this airdrop. It's just simple. Enter use the link, connect your EVM wallet, your MetaMask or OKX, and complete all these social tags. It's a Doge airdrop, and CoinMarketCap tweeted about them on Twitter, on X. So CoinMarketCap announced this airdrop. It's a Doge airdrop. Like the Doge founder said, Doge is going to rise beyond Elon Musk's influence. So with in view of that, they are giving out some Doge token, I guess, to community. So it's just a simple tax and it's absolutely free. Check the registration link as well in the description box of this video and in the pin post in the comment section. Sign up, connect your MetaMask wallet, then complete the social tax, the X tax. It's as simple as that, nothing more, nothing less. So while you are also waiting for the upside, start practicing. Let the algorithm get used to your signals, and you can we can see how things evolve on this platform. I really do hope they start with this earlier, and let's see if we can make money from this. So while waiting for that, check out other videos, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, join my Telegram community for daily updates. Check out other videos on making money opportunities, OKT trading, double trading, free earnings, make mining, submit your photos to earn on shuttle stocks. We have a whole lot. Double trading, deposit $10 and start predicting, you earn instantly. So that's how everything works. Check out the videos and be connected to this channel. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.